Hello, today we will guide you through how to demo trade on FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll practice placing a simple buy order in a risk-free demo environment. The goal is to help you get comfortable navigating the trading screen, finding a symbol, and setting an entry price before you send the order. Even though this is a demo, treat it like a real setup so the habits you build will carry over when you're ready. Start on the main platform and open the trading area. This takes you to the workspace where you'll see charts, your watch list, and the order panel. If it's your first time here, take a second to notice the layout. The search bar sits at the top, your symbol list is usually on the left, the chart is in the middle, and the trading ticket lives on the right. Go to the search field at the top and type the name or ticker of the instrument you want to practice with. You can enter a currency pair, an index, or another available product. As you type, results appear below. Keep it simple for your first practice run and pick a well-known instrument so you can focus on the process rather than hunting for exotic symbols. Click the symbol you want from the results. The platform will load its chart and update the right-hand panel with the trading ticket for that instrument, showing the current bid and ask prices along with action buttons. In the order panel on the right, click Buy. This selects the long side for your trade and opens a ticket so you can set the details. You're not placing the order yet, you're just telling the platform you intend to buy so you can configure how that order should behave. Next, click Entry. This switches the ticket from an immediate market order to a pending entry order. An entry order will only trigger if price reaches the level you set, giving you control over where you want to get filled rather than jumping in at the current market price. Now enter your desired entry price. Choose a realistic level based on the current market, close enough that it can be reached during normal movement, but aligned with your plan. Remember, for a buy order, a price below the current market would behave like a limit entry, while a price above it would act like a stop entry. In demo mode, it's fine to experiment and see how each behaves. When everything looks correct, click Buy to place the order. You should see a confirmation and the order will appear in your working orders. That's it. Your demo buy entry is now live. Use this flow to build confidence, review fills, and refine your approach before committing real funds.